intensity. Sabi nga, love is like an earthquake, no? In terms of magnitude and intensity. Magnitude is the energy release, no? Sabi nga, may crush ka, parang, gaano yung pagmamahal, yung attention na gusto mong ibigay. That's the energy emanating from you. Kaso the intensity is, nararamdaman ba niya? Yun eh. Baka naman, ang lakas nga ng magnitude mo, pero intensity 1 sa kanya. Yun naman kayo. Mag-isang umiibig. Patay tayo dyan. So, ganun siya, no? What are other hazards of earthquakes? No? One hazard of an earthquake is ground shaking. Of course, that's the basic hazard of an earthquake, ground shaking. So, nakita natin na pag nandun ka sa mismong ibabaw ng fault line, the waves, no? Nakita natin the waves is up and down. No? Nakita natin yung direction ng waves. Then the farther you go, it's left and right na. No? It's left and right na. So, the intensity will be lesser and lesser the farther you go. What can happen with ground shaking? Of course, poorly built houses can be broken. So, nakita natin mukhang walang tipid na tipid sa bakal yung bahay, no? Pagkakagawa. So, talagang gigiba talaga siya. Gigiba siya. Meron nga ako nakitang parang may nakita akong picture lately sa parang isang matagal ng building na gumiba. Pero yung katabing building niya na hindi pa tapos, halos walang nangyari. So that clearly shows that the old building is not up to code. Either baka ginawa yun hindi pa 1992 structural code, or ginawa na yun after 1992 pero hindi sila sumunod sa code.